Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cuphead with a friend. Cuphead offers a fantastic local co-op experience, allowing two players to team up and tackle its challenging levels together. To get started, you'll need two controllers connected to your gaming system. The second player can jump into the action at virtually any moment, making it super easy to invite a friend to join your adventure. The game even adjusts its difficulty slightly to accommodate both players. Before diving into the Inkwell Isles, make sure both of your controllers are properly connected. If you are playing on a personal computer, you can connect a second gamepad using a USB cable or via Bluetooth. For console players, simply power on your second controller. It is a good idea to quickly test both controllers to ensure they are fully responsive and ready for action before starting your game. Once your controllers are set, Player 1 can begin the game as they normally would. At any point during gameplay, Player 2 just needs to press any button on their connected controller. You will see a confirmation message on screen indicating that the second player has successfully joined the game. Player 2 will then appear as Mugman, Cuphead's trusty brother, ready to assist in the fight against the debtors. Playing Cuphead with a friend adds a whole new layer of fun and strategy. Remember to work together to overcome the formidable bosses and tricky levels. If one player falls, the other can revive them by parrying their ghost before it floats off screen. Sharing charm and weapon upgrades can also optimize your performance. Most importantly, clear communication between both players is absolutely essential for achieving victory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.